Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time or stopping by, hi, welcome. On this channel I talk about fashion, beauty, a little bit of lifestyle. Fashion for me includes the whole 9 yards. That means shoes, bag, makeup and all of that good stuff. And for today's video, my good friends at Babala kindly sent me a new bag to review and share with you guys. So without wasting time, let's get into it. I always like to do these reviews with you guys so that you will see my first reaction, what I think of it, how I feel about it, and I always try to give you my honest opinion. And as you can see, this is the box. I have not opened it because I want us to open it together. Babala is an online website that says affordable luxury bag like Dupes. And so any kind of bag that you want, well, let me not say any kind, but most of the time they have like designer handbags that are dupes and very affordable. In fact, why I like working with Babala is because their handbag, the quality is just like top notch. I have carried these bags out and people do not know the difference. So that's why I like working with them. And today, look at what I got. I am super excited. I do know what's in here because they asked me to pick out a bag. But this is my first impression because I am just seeing it for the first time. Everything is just so intact. I really love this box. This is so beautiful. Imagine just gifting somebody this or receiving this as a gift for the holidays. I just love it. So as I was saying, Babala is a online website. They are based in China. You go on the website and look at their products. I'm going to include everything in the description box. I do have a discount code which I will leave on the screen for you guys to shop. They just don't sell only bags. They sell shoes, a lot of stuff, bags, wallets. In fact, just go to the website and see for yourself. And of course, you can always get additional discounts with my discount code that I always talk about. So this is the bag. This is how it's looking so far. Yay! This is how it's looking so far. And I do love that they always package their bags so well. They like make sure that everything is intact so that the quality is not destroyed during the shipping process. If you order this bag, you can get them in just this pouch, like just like this, for a cheaper rate. Their bags are already affordable, and of course if you use my discount you are going to get additional discount. But without the whole packaging that comes in the box, the bag is very affordable. If you want it to come with the box, then you are going to have to pay for the packaging. So now I really get it. Like, wow, is this how they sell it on, like, you know, the luxury street, that when you order these things they come in package and you are paying for the package? That got me wondering. Maybe I should ask them if that is a thing. Oh my god. Guys, look at. Oh Jesus Christ, just look at. Oh my god, is this not gorgeous? Oh, I'm feeling myself. You guys know that the East-West bag has been trending, and I do have one that I got from H&M, but I wanted, you know, something extra. So when they approached me this time around and asked me what bag I wanted to review for the month of November, she asked me to go on the website and pick up a bag, and I thought this was so nice. Look at, I had in mind that I will be able to carry it as a clutch, and I am right. Let me see if it comes with an extra strap. It also comes with a little envelope of authenticity. They always do that. They will always put that card there. So I'm going to download that app that you can use to, you know, check if the bags are original. I'm going to download it. When I download it, I'll let you guys know, and then I'll scan all of this and I'll let you guys know, so that you will know that this company, they are genuine. Because I mean, to me, this is how I look at it. Why should I spend thousands of dollars? I think this bag is under $3,000, if I'm not mistaken. And I'll put it on the screen. Why will I spend $3,000 when I can get the same look? It's manufactured in the same place. To me, it's a no-brainer. I mean, I don't think it's wrong if you are into designer's bag. Obviously, I am, for me to be doing these reviews. But I'm just saying that things are so expensive. It's good to treat yourself. I mean, I don't doubt that. But you know, we are women. We want this, we want that. How many are you going to buy, and how much are you going to spend on all of it? I'm trying to open this thing so I can go in and see. Oh yes, everything is inside. The strap is inside. Let me see. Strap is inside. So this is it. This is how the strap is looking. Let's see what else is inside. Okay, they just added this to give it some volume. And look at the zipper. Do you see why I like this brand? Everything I get from them is always protected. And look at, it does have that logo, which is also protected. I will have to peel it off. See, I'm peeling it off. That is why I like them. I'm trying to get all of this off. I'll be right back. Let me take all of this out so that the video will not be too long. So guys, I'm back. I was able to take out all of that. It took me quite a bit of time, just because they protect these things so well. And that's what I like about them. I mean, it's a nuisance when you're trying to take it off. That is why this brand, their quality is top notch. From the production to the products to the packaging, everything is in high quality. That's what I love about them. So this is how the bag is looking so far. I was able to add one strap, but I wanted to add the other strap for you guys to see. Finally, I was able to include the strap. Guys, look at it. Does have like this extra wide band strap. So I'm thinking, you know, oh, this is so gorgeous. Like, you know, it will give you that like a little protection instead of the strap digging into your shoulders. This is very thoughtful. I like this. So, and I think the high end, the original one, also have a strap. You saw the picture. I will include it, and I will also include a full video of me and how I am wearing this bag. Guys, let me tell you, see, that's how it's looking for now. But don't worry, you see the full clip here. But I'm thinking, if you are going for dinner this holiday, just look at that. Oh my God. It's a small one. They also have the large one on the website. This is so beautiful. I can't even tell you the quality of this bag. It's spacious enough to hold quite a reasonable amount of items. You also have a side compartment, and I have not even taken out the protective covering. And let me see, aside from this logo here, I'm trying to see if there is any other logo somewhere else. I haven't found any, so this is the only logo, but the hardware is all good, as you can see. I love that I can carry this like this, something I can wear to church, dinner, date nights, parties. This is the bag to wear this holiday season, guys. I also wanted to mention that on the bag, as you can see, it does have like a buckle here. See this gold buckle, and it has like this, like, is it loops? Almost like a belt loop. And you see how they have a strap going around the loop. So you see, it's just around the bag, which is giving it that kind of like structured shape. In all honesty, it kind of looked like vintage to me, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god, I am so glad. It also have like a little adjustment strap on the side with what looks to be like a little bit of gathering. I don't know how to say it, like a little bit of plate, if that makes sense. And of course, there's a little gold hardware here where you can include the strap. Guys, I am so impressed with this bag, I'm not going to lie. My first impression is that this is quality. Quality. Nobody is going to be the wiser when you carry this bag into any room. You are going to be looking so chic. Like, that's the reason I work with them, because their product is high quality, and you can't tell me otherwise, because I have seen dupes, but this one, if it is actually a dupe, who knows? But guys, I'm in love. I am in love. So run and grab one of these. Okay? Don't say I did not put you on for the holidays. If you have a friend, or sister, wife, a female in your life that love luxury bag, this is the way of giving them that for less. Like I said, if you buy the bag with the boss, then it is going to be more expensive. But if you buy it in just this pouch that it came with, it is way more affordable. And if you are going to be gifting somebody and you want it to be super affordable, just buy it without the package. That's what I would say. And go ahead and shop right now, because holiday is coming. The shipping might take a little bit of time with all this tariff and everything going on. Well, guys, this is such a beautiful bag. And of course, I do wear my outfit. So be prepared to be sick of me with this handbag, because I'm the one that chose it anyways. So it wasn't like they just sent me one. They actually asked me, Ify, hey, go ahead, pick up any bag that you want. And I thought this was so chic. I do love this brand. So I wanted to see what their bag would look like. Obviously, I've never owned one. Also, they have different brands on their website. Like I said, everything will be in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And thank you so much, Babala, for sending me this beautiful, gorgeous bag. I just love it. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have any questions about Babala, be sure to drop it in the comments, and I'll do my very best to answer you. So thank you so much, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Bye bye.